Everyone, and welcome. If you are a master's student, a PhD candidate, or a postdoc in the pharmaceutical sciences, you probably know this feeling. You're trying to understand a complex concept like saturable clearance or how to interpret an enzyme inhibition plot at 10 pm. You've got textbooks, which are fantastic for theory, but they're static. You can't ask them questions, you can't change the parameters, and you definitely can't simulate a what if scenario. What if your textbook was alive? What if it was an interactive, ever evolving platform that not only taught you the concepts but also gave you the tools to apply them instantly? That. That's the vision behind Biofate AI. It's designed to be the modern day interactive book for the next generation of DMPK and bioanalytical scientists. It's your personal AI mentor, especially for those early in careers or in environments where asking a senior colleague for help might be challenging. Like any good book, Biofate AI starts with its core content. Instead of static chapters, you get a dynamic feed of blogs and podcasts. These aren't just articles, they're deep dives into crucial topics. For example, here's DMPK in allometry, the scientist's guide to interspecies scaling, with clear explanations and formulas, just like a textbook, but it's always up to date and accessible. Now, every book needs a glossary and an index. Our Learn and Resources section is exactly that, but supercharged. Forget flipping through an index. Need to remember what clearance is? Just type it in. You get a clear definition, the formula, and the context instantly. We also have dedicated sections for LCMS scan types and common PK/PD patterns, helping you recognize key data trends. This is something which Biofate AI can offer. Conceptual templates for common in vitro DMPK assays like microsomal stability or CYP inhibition. It outlines the objective, design, and key steps, giving you a framework for understanding real world lab work. This is the foundation, the knowledge base. But where Biofate AI truly comes alive is when you stop just reading and start doing. This is the heart of the platform. Think of these as the lab sections at the end of your textbook chapters, where you can finally get your hands dirty. Let's walk through a typical drug discovery workflow. It often starts with preclinical data. Our scaling suite is your guide to interspecies scaling. You can use everything from simple allometry to advanced methods like IVIVE and FU corrected intercepts to predict human PK parameters. Once you have the concentration time data, either from our simulated or your own experiments, the PK analysis suite is your primary toolkit. You can run a full non compartmental analysis, fit one or two compartment models, and even project human profiles from animal data using the PK shape engine. This is where theory meets practice. Of course, PK is only half the story. The PD Model Explorer lets you visualize what the drug does to the body, simulate Emacs models, indirect responses, or complex hysteresis loops to understand the relationship between concentration and effect. For our medicinal chemistry and bioanalysis colleagues, the chemistry toolkit is a powerhouse. Input a SMILE string, and our AI powered metabolite ID tool predicts phase 1 and 2 metabolites. It even has a module for predicting reactive metabolite hotspots and potential adducts. It also includes a full suite of ADME calculators, predicting everything from permeability and solubility to protein binding and blood to plasma ratio. We also have specialized modules. The DDI simulator is based on the ICH M12 guidelines. The radiochemistry suite helps you plan doses for HADME studies and estimate dosimetry. And our new enzyme kinetics module lets you analyze everything from Michaelis Menten to inhibition patterns. And now, how do you solidify this knowledge? The quiz generator can create a test on any topic, or even from a PDF you can upload. And the AI mentor is your 24/7 senior scientist. You can choose a personality like a Socratic guide who asks questions back, or a direct expert for quick answers, and ask anything. So, now you have all these tools, but how do you use them in a workflow? That's where the DMPK lab notebook comes in. This isn't a single tool, but a collection of interactive worksheets that mimic a scientist's real workflow. For example, here's the notebook for an in vitro metabolic stability study. You can input your time and response data directly from an experiment. It automatically calculates the percent remaining, plots the data, performs a linear regression on the log linear phase, and gives you an estimated half life and intrinsic clearance. It turns raw data into a meaningful result right here. We also have similar notebooks for CYP inhibition and time dependent inhibition, guiding you through the data analysis process step by step. Finally, while AI is powerful, sometimes you need a little human touch. For our premium users, Expert Connect allows you to submit specific questions about your projects directly to our team of seasoned DMPK scientists for personalized advice. And for everyone, the feedback button is your direct line to us. We're constantly evolving Biofate AI based on your suggestions to make it the most useful tool it can be. So, as you can see, Biofate AI is more than just a collection of calculators. It's a comprehensive interactive learning ecosystem. It's a textbook that answers back. It's a lab partner that helps you analyze your data. And it's a mentor that's available whenever you need it. For anyone starting their journey in drug development or looking to sharpen their skills, this platform is designed to be your co pilot, to build your confidence, deepen your understanding, and ultimately accelerate your career. It's about empowering you to move from simply knowing the theory to truly understanding its application. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. I encourage you to sign up for a free trial and explore these tools for yourself. The best way to learn is by doing. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video with any colleagues or students who might benefit. Let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. The app's link will be provided in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe for deeper insights of each section. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.